Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok not available in App Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that TikTok is still not available in your App Store, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strong connection. Go to settings here, go to general here, go to VPN device management and just try to disconnect the VPN if you're connected. Again, go back, go to date and time, enable the toggle, set your date and time automatically. Go to software update and just try to update to the latest software version. Sometimes it might be that some apps needs the latest highest version. So you have to try to update your software, then go to screen time section, and here you have to go to content privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here, because sometimes it might be that your TikTok app has been restricted due to age restrictions. So as you can see that whenever I try to enable these restrictions and then select allowed apps and features, or just select app installation, and here you can see there's and the apps are disabled due to age ratings. I have selected 9 plus, so these apps are disabled and hidden from my app store and also from my home screen. These apps are installed on my phone, so you just have to select unrated from here if you can't disable the restrictions, or you can also try to disable all the restrictions from here. Then go to App Store, just go for search and simply search for TikTok, and you'll get that app here. You can easily install it from here. Or if it's still not working for you, so you have a best way, you have to simply go back, open any browser, and just simply search for TikTok. And here you have to open the first website, which is TikTok official website, www.tiktok.com. Just simply open the website from here and just tap on these three dots at the bottom right. Then tap on the share option and just select add to home screen. And you can name it with TikTok web. Then tap on add and it will be added to your home screen. I just simply tap on it and it will be opened. So in this way you can use a second TikTok app without any issue. So in this way, you can easily fix if TikTok is not available on your iPhone or in the App Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.